In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money on Canva, offering a beginner's guide to selling designs in 2025. Canva has become a powerhouse tool for designers and creators, providing endless possibilities for building a profitable business. Today, we'll explore several exciting ways to turn your creativity into cash using Canva's versatile platform. First, let's talk about selling Canva templates. Canva allows you to design a wide variety of editable templates, such as resumes, planners, Instagram posts, presentations, business cards, and ebooks. Once you've crafted your template, you can save it as a Canva template link. This makes it easy to share and sell on popular marketplaces like Etsy, which is the biggest marketplace for Canva templates. You can also use platforms like Creative Market and design bundles, or even establish your own website or Shopify Wix store to sell these templates. For example, selling an Instagram template pack for $15 and making 20 sales a month could lead to $300 in passive income. This approach is particularly appealing because once the template is created and listed, it requires minimal upkeep. Next, consider joining the Canva Creator Program. By applying to become a Canva contributor or creator, you can upload elements such as graphics, stock photos, videos, and templates. This opens the opportunity to earn royalties each time someone uses your content within Canva itself. It's an ideal option for photographers, illustrators, and designers looking to showcase their work to a broad audience while earning a steady income. Another profitable venture is selling digital products using Canva's design capabilities. You can design and sell various digital products like planners, journals, workbooks, course guides, ebooks, invitations, and printables. Platforms such as Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip, or your own website are great places to sell these digital creations. These products are highly sought after, and Canva's user-friendly interface makes the design process a breeze, even for beginners. Offering social media packages is another lucrative option. Many small businesses are on the lookout for branded content to elevate their online presence. You can create monthly Canva template bundles for social media, including Instagram carousels, TikTok covers, and YouTube thumbnails. Consider selling these bundles as a subscription service. For instance, offering 30 posts for $97 a month can be an appealing package for businesses eager to maintain consistent brand imagery across all platforms. Finally, teaching Canva through courses or tutorials is a fantastic way to monetize your expertise. Starting a YouTube channel with Canva tutorials or creating a course on platforms like Skillshare or Udemy can be a rewarding experience. Canva's growing popularity ensures that tutorials attract a steady stream of beginners eager to learn new design skills. Sharing your knowledge not only increases your visibility, but also positions you as an authority in the design space. By exploring these avenues, you can effectively leverage